Hello students, we already studied the human digestive system and physiology of digestion. And now last part on this topic is the nutritional disorders. You see here, nutritional disorders. Completed all these, and these are the nutritional disorders or and disorders of digestive system. Nutritional disorders or deficiency diseases are causes due to deficiency, and this deficiency it may be of protein, vitamin, mineral, etc. These deficiencies causes due to disorders of some organs also. From these there are diseases. From this first disease, it is known as kwashiorkor. This is a protein deficiency, and this disorder is found in children between 1 to 3 years of age. In this diagram, you see this is this child. It is suffering from this is kwashiorkor. These are the symptoms. Different symptoms are seen here. Underweight, stunted growth, overdevelopment of brain, loss of appetite, anemia, protruding brain, slender legs, bulging eyes, edema of lower leg and face, and also change in skin and hair. You see here, see edema of face, then edema of legs, then protruding belly. This is protruding belly. Legs are slender. Loss of appetite. Then here anemia. These are the symptoms of these diseases. These are the protein energy malnutrition. In short, it is known as PEM. Then here second disease. This disease is known as marasmus. This marasmus disease, it causes also due to deficiency of protein, but it is form of prolonged protein energy malnutrition. It is prolonged protein deficiency, and such type of disease is seen in infants below 1 year of age. In this disease, it causes due to deficiency of chiefly proteins and all nutrients, stopping breastfeeding too early and switch over to low protein diet. These are the causes of disease. Then here symptoms. What are the symptoms? Here symptoms are there given, that is loss of weight, then physical and mental development is not takes place properly. Ribs become prominent due to disappearance of subcutaneous fat. Skin becomes dry, wrinkled, and thick. Impaired digestion and absorption due to atrophy of digestive gland. This leads to diarrhea. Here, digestive glands, atrophy of digestive gland takes place, so digestion does not take place, absorption does not take place, and it leads to diarrhea. Then impaired immunity may cause a respiration and gastrointestinal infections. There is no edema. This edema is the particular characteristic of disease kwashiorkor. kwashiorkorच्या मध्ये ओडिमा हे स्वेलिंग आहे हे याच्यामध्ये पर्टिक्युलर कॅरेक्टर आहे. दोन याच्यामध्ये डिफरन्स आहे, तो मेन डिफरन्स आहे तो इथे. जेव्हा क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो त्यावेळेला अशा पद्धतीचा क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो. ओडिमा इज दी मेन कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ डिसीज नोन ॲज, आणि सिम्पटम, आणि याच्यामध्ये दोन्हीच्या दोन्ही डिसीज दिले जातात. त्याच्यामध्ये ओडिमा इट इज अ पर्टिक्युलर कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ डिसीज नोन ॲज क्वॉशर. Then here third disease here indigestion. इथून पुढचे जे सगळ्या टर्म आहेत त्या सगळ्या टर्म आपल्या परिचित आहेत, त्याच्या डिटेल सांगण्याची तुम्हाला गरज नाही. फर्स्ट इज इंडायजेशन. इंडायजेशन का होतंय? ओव्हर इटिंग आहे, देन इनएडिक्वेट एन्झाइम सिक्रेशन, स्पायसी फूड आहे. These are the reasons of this indigestion. Due to indigestion, there are discomfort occurs, abdominal pain occurs, sometimes vomiting occurs here. These are the symptoms. These are the general diseases. Then next is constipation. Constipation means frequency of defecation is reduced to less than once per week, and the condition is called as constipation. In constipation, difficulty in defecation, so it also causes abdominal pain. Then it also causes neurological dysfunction like spinal cord injury. Next disease is known as diarrhea. In diarrhea, in general word, it is also known as loose motions. Passing loose watery stools more than 3 times a day is called as diarrhea. It can lead to dehydration. The causes of diarrhea are infection through food and water, or disorders like ulcer, colitis, inflammation of intestine, or irritable bowel syndrome. Then next disease is known as jaundice. In the jaundice, what happens? Breakdown of RBC takes place in liver, and due to this breakdown, the pigments are formed, bilirubin and bilirubin. These pigments are formed. The function of these pigments is to give color to fecal matter, but their concentration increases in large quantity. When RBCs are break down in large quantity, then formation of these pigments it is also in large quantity. And abnormal bilirubin metabolism, it causes jaundice. It shows symptoms like yellowness of conjunctiva of eyes, skin, sometimes whitish, stool is also seen. And last part from this topic and nutritional disorder, that is vomiting. Vomiting means here it is a condition the stomach contents are thrown out of the mouth due to reverse peristaltic movement of gastric. The stomach contents are thrown out of the body. Why this happens? Due to reverse peristaltic movement of gastric. We know due to peristaltic movement, food is directed in forward direction. But here, reverse peristaltic movement takes place, and so food thrown out of the mouth. This is known as vomiting. These are the common disorders of nutritional disorders. कुठल्या कुठल्या आपण डिसऑर्डर बघितलेले आहेत? फर्स्ट इज क्वॉशिओरकर, देन मरास्मस, थर्ड इज indigestion, Next, constipation. Fourth is diarrhea, jaundice, and vomiting. And thus we completed this topic here. From you see, आपण एक नजर टाकूया की या कम्प्लीट टॉपिक मध्ये आपण काय काय बघितलेलं आहे. At first, human digestive system, it consists of alimentary canal and accessory gland. Alimentary canal, it consists of the mouth, buccal cavity, in buccal cavity, tongue, and teeth are present. Teeth are different type of teeth are present. In this part, we have to remember the dental formula. This dental formula, it is very important for examination. The next part is pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. These are the parts of alimentary canal. Then there are three types of glands are present. These three types of glands are digestive gland, that is salivary gland. Three types of salivary glands present: sublingual gland, submandibular gland, and parotid gland. Then second largest gland in our body, it is known as liver. Liver, it performs main function. Number of functions are performed by this liver. It is helpful. It secretes bile, which is useful for the digestion. Then third gland, it is known as pancreas. It is leaf-shaped gland. It is exocrine as well as endocrine. It secretes pancreatic juice as well as insulin. And in physiology of digestion, in digestion, the compound food material is converted into simple form. The digestion takes place in different organs, buccal cavity, stomach, and intestine. After digestion, food is converted into simple form. And this simple form is in this way, that is carbohydrates are converted into glucose and fructose, proteins are converted into amino acids, and fats are converted into fatty acid and glycerol. Then here absorption, assimilation, and digestion takes place. Absorption means digested food material is absorbed in the blood. While assimilation means absorbed food material becomes a part of protoplasm. This is known as assimilation. And last part is digestion, that is undigested waste material is thrown out of the body through an anal opening. And now we study the nutritional disorders and disorders of digestive system. There are main two disorders which we have to study or which we have to remember. First one is kwashiorkor and another is malas. While other disorders are general disorders: indigestion, constipation, diarrhea, jaundice, and vomiting. And here it ends of our topic. Thank you.